It's time for another gardening update.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with another gardening video. And today I'm sharing with you my tomato plants. I believe these are the cherry tomatoes, and I have separated them from the biggest container into 3 smaller containers. They're not small, they're big, but this one, why can't I think the name of this pot? Well, the clay pot had all of them growing in there, so I just separated them out and put them in some other containers. So now what I'm about to do, since I did that, I got these Joby tomato fertilizer sticks that I'm going to put inside them. And yeah, I did that like I said I was going to do, because I was thinking about, I need to separate these tomato plants because I can't have all these tomato plants growing in this one pot. So I'm glad I did that. So I'm going to have 4 pots of tomatoes growing, and it looked like I got at least 2 tomato plants in each pot. So hopefully, this is my first time growing cherry tomatoes, and hopefully they work out. I don't know what happened to the this other thing I did, but that's for Saturday. But I just want to share this little video and let y'all know that Miss Janita has put in some work today. Dang, what is my thinking? It's just blank. What the heck? I have now but I separated my cherry tomatoes from 1 pot into 3 more pots, 2 plants in each pot now, and I'm going to put these food spikes in there, and I hope to have great luck with my tomato plants, because tomato plants are something to reckon with, just like rosemary and sage, for me anyway, because tomatoes, they need certain nutrition, or you get all these diseases and things going on with your tomatoes if you don't, you don't care for them right. So here I go, trying cherry tomatoes, and hopefully everything's gonna work out and be okay. And I'm glad to share this with y'all, what I'm doing in my garden. I know some of you guys love to hear about what people doing in their garden, what's going on. I have separated my tomato plants and put them in 3 extra pots I have. And hopefully my tomatoes are going to grow beautifully. And that's about it for today. I do have to, I think I'm going to throw my jalapeno seeds in some dirt too. So I'm going to go. I just want to let you guys know, if in case, I might have mentioned in one of my videos that I was going to separate my tomato plants, and they are separated and repotted as different plant pots. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are having a great gardening day. Thank you so much for all your support. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and please be patient with me to come and support your channels, content creators, gardening content creators, and various other content creators that come and support this channel. Thank you very much. And don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to leave a comment. I appreciate all that. Thank you guys, and have a beautiful day. Bye for now.
I'll see you on the next one. Gardening.